So the chapati is ready, and now it's time to taste it. And now it's the final moment to test if it's good or not. In today's video, we are going to learn how to cook garlic mushroom quick and easy. First, I will slice all of these beautiful mushrooms into half pieces. Now it's the important step. You have to remove any sort of moisture content from the mushrooms. But before doing that, we are first going to switch on the induction and remove any residual water. So now I will add some olive oil. I will increase the heat to 800 and start putting the mushrooms in the pan. So basically I have already filled the pan with the mushrooms, and I will show you the moisture coming out of the mushrooms. So you can see little bit of moisture which is in the mushroom is already coming out. I will do one thing, I will add some more olive oil just to be on the safer side, you know. Now one important part, you have to move the mushrooms. Don't let them sit in one place, it's not good. When you are doing this, you will notice that the size of mushroom will start to shrink and it will become like leather, you know. And afterwards, you will know when the texture changes that mushrooms are ready to be prepared. And that's when you have to switch to the chopping the garlic and rest of the things, you know, in ingredients. I just received a phone call from the Prime Minister of Finland, and I was threatened that I will be invaded. My kitchen will be taken over by the Finnish people because the amount of sauna I'm getting from these mushrooms. You can already listen to the sizzling sound, which is very extreme now. The steam is almost gone. The water is almost evaporated out of the mushroom. I will mix it and then I will add some garlic paste, which I have because I don't have the raw garlic, I just noticed. And it's almost ready, and I will reduce the power of the induction to 200 because I don't want to burn it. I will show you the close-up how the mushrooms look. You can already see the texture is very beautifully and it looks like a leather. It's very weird to say leather, but it's time to add some garlic and little more garlic afterwards. So I added the third spoon and a little water so that it will cover whole mushrooms. This is the frozen coriander which I will add to the mushrooms now. My God, the smell is just beautiful. The pan is moving everywhere because I'm holding Gopro with my hand, one hand, and moving the mushrooms with the other one. I haven't added any kind of salt or anything like spices. I will add now. Now I will add 1 tablespoon of red Himalayan salt. Little bit of asafoetida. We call it hing. It's very good, but you have to put very little, okay? Not too much, or you will start to poo very much, like a lot. My Madras curry powder, or you can see how much I'm putting. Not too much, a lot, not a lot, okay? This is red paprika. This is not chili powder, it's just, you know, pimenta. It's already looking very dark, and I can tell you that it feels heavy, even individual piece. If you pick it up with this spoon, wooden spoon, it will feel a little heavier. Now it's time to add some soya sauce, not too much. and also increase the. In the last phase, I will add this cream. It's like nata com karil. So it's curry cream. You can add according to your taste. If you want to add, it's up to you. Otherwise, you can just leave it. But I love creamy mushroom. So now I will add the cream to make it very beautiful and tasty and creamy. So now you can see the mushrooms with the cream are looking very beautiful. I will show you the close-up. Now I will prepare the dough to prepare chapati. Eat this. It looks very beautiful. My mouth is already watering like. So I'm almost done preparing the dough. Now it's time to cook some chapatis. I will heat the pan. I took the dough. Now the magic will happen. It used to be very tough for me in the initial days when I started making the chapati. The first time I did that, it was in UK. It's looking almost circular. Little bit of more rolling and it will look perfect. See how slim this is. If I do this, I can see my fingers underneath it. So the pan is flaming hot. It's time to put the chapati on. It's hot. It's hot. And this is how my happy face looks like with my chapati. Yes, it's circular like a moon. Now I will quickly make 4 doughs to make chapatis. This is how I measure a dough for the chapati. This is the spare. I will use it at night. So do this. And then put it in the dry flour. Do the same with the other one. So the chapati is ready, and now it's time to taste it with the chapati. Where is the mushroom? Why it's not coming in my hand? It's the final moment to test if it's good or not. No, this view is good. Okay.